Just feel.
Alright everybody, you can see we made it to the shop. Super clean bikes out here. We got a pretty good turnout actually. More bikes out here than I thought it would be. But I'm gonna try to beat this weather. Hopefully the ND filter is not gonna F this up. But we will find out. You can see we got a Busa R1 2K67 S1000 double I's, and we have another 2021 ZX10R and an R1M. So gonna be fun for sure, man. Can't wait. It's gonna be freaking dope. Probably gonna be my last ride for a couple weeks. I'm in the house taking care of the baby. You can see John out there with the boot. Look at the line up. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Yeah. Yes sir. We out here. Hopefully this footage looks good, y'all. Let's see. Super clean S1000. Got the K67. Another S1K. R1M. Busa. Another 6th gen ZX10. Another S1000. Beautiful color. That gray is awesome, man. Words can't describe how beautiful that thing looks in person. And then we got the 60th anniversary R1 right here. That's super clean, man. Love that thing. Saw one of those in person at the dealership brand new in the Ford recently, but he bought his in another state. But that one's dope too, man. Just awesome bikes, and he's already got a few things done to it. But yeah, man. The stock wheelbase bikes, I don't think any of them will get me, but for sure everything out here stretch is gonna get me, I think, man. So, but as usual, we're gonna go down here, get out here, have fun, and go from there. So. Super clean. Well, we're gonna get caught at every light, it seems. Woo, you can smell all the fuels out here, boy. Oh yeah, I'm about to get high right behind these bikes. But I love the smell, man. reminds me of the days of being back in the streets of the track and everything. Awesome, bro. Oh yeah, we got some cloud covers for sure. Can't say that John ain't about that life. Look at him out here riding with the boot. Even though he just gonna be cruising, it's still dope, man. Can't tell him he don't miss being on twos and he don't love this life for real. It's good just having him out here. I wish we had bruv out here, but his bike is getting some stuff done right now, so he gonna have to join us on the next one. And Loaded Jixer will be back tomorrow, so once he gets a little bit of time to rest at the crib and come out with us, he'll be out there. We got a run. Busa versus S1000. Oh boy. Look like, ooh, yeah. It's in the front. S1000 in the front. That bike is quick, y'all. Got another one, let's see. I don't know what happened. He let out of it. Oh boy. Yeah, S1K got him on top. You running? Look at that bike, boy. That thing is so butter, dude. Oh, so butter. Can't even tell you how beautiful that bike is in person. I know the camera ain't doing nothing for this bike. One of the best S1Ks I've ever seen, online or in person, easily. She running super good today, y'all. Ah! She running good, baby. That bike is fast. That bike is quick, boys. That bike is fast. Racing with the boot. I love it, man. I love it. Alrighty, we're done fueling up for the day. Gonna do one little quick stretch back to the house, and that's gonna conclude the ride. Got a chance to ride with some friends from H-Town, Hold It Down. You already know. It's been fun for sure. Just glad to get out on twos all the time, man. It's always an adventure. It's always fun, you know. Sometimes we have technical difficulties, but that's part of the game, you know. It is what it is. But I will say Aria is running super good today. And honestly, I ain't really did nothing. I'm gonna tell you what I guys did from the last video to this one. I put the low profile seat on, so I'm able to tuck more, so that may help obviously with aerodynamics. But I tightened the chain up some more. Not that it was loose, don't get me wrong, it was set to about stock specifications on how they want the deflection to be. But after watching EJR's little video on a podcast about chain maintenance and stuff, decided to take his advice and tighten my chain up some more, because it does make sense. And I'm 242 with no gear, so when you sit on the bike and you put load on it and riding, it's going to oscillate more and everything than it would be on a stand just turning it by hand, or you know, just, you know, with no load obviously. So it makes sense, you know, to tighten it up a little more, because it's going to do its thing and be having more deflection whenever there's load on it. So did it, and so far it does seems like my shifting is significantly better. I was having some issues before, but it seems like now they might be ironed out pretty good. So it's been a fun day for sure, man. So riding good, riding hard. Just been a fun day, man. I wish that these guys lived, you know, here, or we lived in Houston, whatever the case may be, so we could all ride together more often. But it's definitely fun, man. Awesome time out on twos. Bike quick, man. Well guys, you got a chance to see me race S1K. He spun. Hopefully he got a clean run that time. I know one of the earlier runs he shifted, had problems getting to second. We messed with his anatory a little bit here and there. Good runs, man. His bike, I knew it would get me, and he definitely did, man. Beautiful bike. Once I said, like I said earlier, amazing looking bike in person, just magnificent, man. He definitely didn't cut any shortcuts on taking care of that thing and putting some quality parts on there. So much carbon fiber, and the ThyssenKrupp carbon fiber wheels look amazing in person, like so much better than you can imagine just seeing them online. Like words can't describe them. To me, the quality on them looks so much better than BSTs too, like so much better. So man, I'm really debating them, I'm not gonna lie. It makes me want to buy a set so bad. So you might see some BSTs, or not some BSTs, you might see some ThyssenKrupps in the future on the channel. I may have to go ahead and get a final edition for mine too, and then just I'm pretty meticulous about my bike, so I do inspect my bike, check major things for tightness and all that crap after every ride and stuff. So, you know, I'm pretty sure I could find a crack or anything like that if I ride and see something. So he missed a gear. But guys, it's looking like this might be the end of the video. Getting close back to the shut-off location. So if you guys like what you saw, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your boy. I appreciate you guys, as usual, tuning in. We slowly but surely getting there with subscribers. I appreciate all the support, man. Smash that like button, share, sub if you haven't already. Follow me on IG. I am starting to ramp up TikTok here and there too, and Facebook. But appreciate all the support, man. Y'all have a good one and take it easy. Later.